I, Prapti Agarwal,
And I, Ishan Garg.
welcome you all to our first boarding assembly 2022.
A very good evening, everyone. As this busy and hectic semester finally meets its end, let us all celebrate our success and efforts here today. I think we can all agree COVID served more challenges than any of us predicted. Nevertheless, we came back to school after 2 long years of lockdown and instantly started creating countless new memories that we'll cherish forever.
With our first set of awards for the evening, the School Spirit Award, to the students for becoming the best version of themselves and inspiring all of us.
One last time, come on, you won't hear my voice for another 2 months, I promise you. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Wow, that did the trick.
In this world, this is us.
And I will try to fix you, to fix you, to fix you. And high up above and down below.